The Nord Drive Systems sk700e-752-340-0 is a fairly large motor control, which can be used in various applications, with this specific one used in a very large commercial dryer system. These systems can be configured in various control modes depending on the installed option boards. In order for ERD to test these motor controls, we purchased all necessary keypads and interfaces for using this product. This motor control had issues in the control board, which we repaired along with the refurbishment of the other subassemblies. This motor control was then attached to our load and, as seen in the video, operated with no issue. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.